Okay, Maisie's gonna look for eggs. Do you see any?
Do you see any eggs?
Yeah.
Do you
Aya
see
can,
one on by the TV?
yeah, Aya can show you one.
Do you see a blue egg by the TV?
Look at that.
Is there something in it?
An egg.
An egg.
An
Oh.
egg. Okay.
Do you see any other eggs anywhere?
Any other eggs? Look around.
And why that?
In Wiley's bed.
There's an egg.
In the couch.
In the couch?
On the couch. Oh my goodness.
Over here. Eggs in here.
Look at that.
Do you see any more?
Yeah.
Look around. Look around.
We may find another one.
Yeah, find some other ones. Look around. Let's see. Maybe on that couch. There's one.
And that one.
Another one.
We may find another more.
The other more. All right.